You want me?
Yeah.
Well, I'm right here. Would you like a donut?
Yeah.
Look, I have a donut for you. Here you go. Oh, I dropped it.
Mama, it's still clean.
Oh, can you get it? Did all the chocolate come off?
No.
Oh, come on up here and eat with me. Let's have a seat. We'll have a little picnic in the kitchen. Num, 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 num. Is that donut good?
Yeah.
Oh, look. I found a juice, too. Would you like some juice?
Mama, that's the baby's bottle.
Oh, I thought that was juice. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Look. Okay.
Got it back.
Okay. Look, there's 2 donuts. One for me and one for you.
Thank you, Mama.
How many donuts do you see?
1, 2, 3.
Where's the 3rd one? I don't see number 3. Maybe in the picnic basket?
1, 2, 3.
No, 1 and 2. Yeah, just 2, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if there's anything to eat in here. Let's check it out.
There's a
What is
dog.
that? Oh, what is it?
It's a dog.
You hid your dog in the picnic basket?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Whatever will we do? Don't let him poop.
Let's go see. Oops. Mama, pretend he pooped on the floor.
Oh no, daughter, he pooped on our kitchen floor.
Oh no, what did we do?
Well, we gotta clean it up. Let me get the cleaning stuff. Ready? Here's the cleaning stuff.
Okay, Mama, I'll get it.
Ready?
Mommy,
That's the cleaning stuff. Can you clean it up? All right, and then we gotta sanitize it. Gotta clean it really good. Here's a washing block. And then we'll put the poop away and pretend it's gone, okay? Good idea.
Mama.
Good girl, you're so responsible. You cleaned up after your dog.